There is the option to add hyperlinks to cells, cell areas, charts, or any kind of object in your sheets. This can make your workbook more interactive. In the current sheet, we can see that the Dell company is shown in a blue underlined color. This is because it is a hyperlink to Dell's home site.
If we hover our mouse to the cell, we can see the link that is pointed to it. If we want to go to that link, all we have to do is click the cell. If we just want to select the cell without navigating to the link, then we have to click and hold the mouse button on the cell for a while until it is selected. It needs milliseconds. Suppose we want to add the link to HP site as well. We click on the cell and go to the Insert tab of the ribbon. There we click on the Link button. The first option on the left is Existing File or Web Page. We can either select one file or one of our recent browsed pages or recent access files. We know the address of the site, so we just type it in the appropriate field. At the top of the window, we can change the text of the cell if we want. We don't. If we click the button on the right, labeled Screen Tip, we can type a text to be displayed when we hover the mouse over the cell. This will replace the web address we will otherwise see as Screen Tip. Let's add here HP main site. We click on OK.
Now, if we hover over Dell cell, we can see the web address, but if we hover over HP's cell, we see the screen tip we have just added.
There are other kinds of links we can insert to our cells. Let's say we want to add a link to our other sheet called Charts. We will add this link to cell More Charts. We click on the cell, we choose the Insert tab and the Link button, and select Place in this document from the categories on the left. Then, at the box on the right, we select the Sheets charts. We can set a specific cell we want to jump to if we want, but for this example, cell A1 is what we want. So we click on OK.
Now, when you click on the cell, it will send us automatically to the Charts sheet to cell A1. In this sheet, we have already included one cell with the text Email me for support, the one right here. We want to add a link to that cell that will open the default mail client of the user and let them write an email that will be sent to our mail address. This can help a lot if you plan to sell your workbooks and want to offer some kind of support to the end users.
We select the cell and click on Insert Link. We select the email address from the left of the window. We type our email address. We type a subject. It's better to type something very descriptive here. It will help you differentiate the different support requests if you have had a lot of different workbooks for sale. For example, support request for the workbook with the 3 charts. And we click OK.
The moment we click on that cell, our default mail client launches. We can then add a description of the issue we have and set it.
And this concludes this lesson. Remember not to add too many hyperlinks because it can be frustrating to have your browser open with every accidental click on the cells.